Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a long gathered skirt. So this is the fabric that I'm going to be using for today. So the measurement you're going to need is your waist measurement, hip measurement, and skirt length. So multiply the hip measurement by 2, and whatever number you get plus add 2 to it. The 2 is gonna be for the zip allowance. So once you get that, you're going to cut 86 inches from the cloth. After cutting the 86, you're going to divide that cloth into 2. One is going to be the front and the other is going to be the back. So after you finish cutting, you're going to put the front aside. And you're going to fold the back into 2 again and cut it again, because the back needs to separate from the zip. I'm going to insert pockets into this skirt. This is completely optional. If you don't want the pockets, it's fine, you can do it without the pockets. So mark the pockets right sides from the wrong sides and mark 2.5 inches down from each side of the cloth you cut, both front and back, and put the pockets right side facing right sides and pin it together, starting from where the 2.5 inches end. Do the same for the other side and sew it down. You can go ahead and top stitch after sewing it down. So once you finish, you're going to put the back on the front and pin them together and sew them down. So after joining it, I went ahead and serged the edges to prevent it from fraying. So now after this, we are going to gather the waist. I'm going to sew, and the pocket is looking really good. So I'm going to gather the waist now. So I put in 2 gathering stitches. So after gathering the skirt, I'm going to measure to make sure I have my waist measurement. So gather it to your waist measurement. So once you get that, you're going to go ahead and cut your waist band. So the waistband is 4.5 inches wide. The length is your waist measurement plus 2 inches or 1.5 inches for zip allowance. So I went ahead and cut 2 inches wide violin to make it more firm. This is completely optional. If you don't have violin, you can still do it without it, just that it's not gonna be as firm as the one with violin. But if you don't have it, you can still do it. So go ahead and pin the waistband to the skirt and sew it all around. So I used contrasting fabric for the gathering stitches so that it will be easy to take it out once it's showing outside. That's why you see the red thread. And I went ahead and sewed the bottom 1/2 inch down. So that is it. I'm gonna show you on the dress form. Guys, this fabric is really beautiful and I love how the skirt turned out. Oh, I was looking for the pocket. Where are you? Oh, I found it. Here you go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.